Good morning, sweet friends. This is Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards. I am coming on to do a really quick video. Today is the day. Today is the day that the wonderful Dianna Marcum stamp release begins with Adornit. And I just wanted to remind everybody that the Stamp It Chocolate Workshop is starting today at 1 p.m. And I think that's Utah time, if that helps you guys at all. But just keep in mind that her stamps are, the release starts today. There will be monthly kits released from Dianna Marcum with Adornit. Go to the Adornit Facebook page and you will find everything you need. But I just wanted to come on and remind you of that this morning, and I'm hoping I can get this video uploaded before I have to leave for work. So I was inspired to make another card after watching all of my sweet design team members' crafty videos and posts on Instagram and Facebook and everywhere. And this card, these are oatmeal scotchies this time, and they're also a cookie that my grandma used to call Mrs. Anderson's cookies because her neighbor, Mrs. Anderson, used to make them all the time. And anyway, I thought it would be so much fun to make some more cookies and stick them in the wonderful large baked bread pan from Impression Obsession dies. This again is an Anna White die, and it's the same one I used on the last card that I shared for using this chocolate chip cookie stamp. But this time these are oatmeal scotchies or Mrs. Anderson's cookies, and I thought this would just make a really simple, cute happy birthday card. So this says happy, happy birthday, and this is a stamp set that I got in a $5 grab bag from Impression Obsession. And if you remember, I stamped the stamp out, and it's a bunch of sentiments on one stamp. And so this is one of the ones, and it was happy, happy birthday. And I thought that went perfect with this. And I'm thinking I might even make a little sign to tuck in here that says oatmeal scotchies, or I might put a little something down here. But I just think this reminds me so much of my Grandma Maggie, or as my son used to call her, Gigi Maggie, Micheline Scarpello. So I have such fond memories of her, and her birthday is in July. It's coming up, and she's no longer with us, but I still think of her all the time. And I just thought it would be fun to make a card kind of commemorating the cookies she used to always share with us. So I did use that sweet Petite Flowers 2 print from Iralamija shop. Just a reminder that the Iralamija shop code, JillMay22, all caps, is still going on for 15% off your order at Iralamija shop on Etsy. So just a little reminder there about the Dianna Marcum release today and the code for Iralamija shop on Etsy. Don't forget that Dianna Marcum also has digitals out. There's an adorable set for May that's about chickens. So if you haven't seen that, you're going to want to go check out the Etsy shop. Marilyn G, R. Jetta, who is Cynthia, Jen, who is Strawberry Cream 39, and Dee Armstead, who is Elegant Embellishments here on YouTube, are all sharing projects using Dianna Marcum stamps. So if you want more inspiration, you can go visit all of their channels. I linked them in a video about the Iralamija shop code. I think that's where they are linked. I'm pretty sure. But or maybe it's the previous Saturday Morning Makes video. But if you don't know their channels and you need a link, let me know. I don't think I'm going to have time to link them in this video today, but maybe I can update it later tonight when I get home. But I won't have time before I go to work to link everything because it just takes too long. So don't forget about those two things. And then I thought I would do a quick card share. I finished this card using this adorable stamp from Impression Obsession and Anna White. And I used some of those beautiful papers from Iralamija shop again, these really nice papers, and I even used a little strip of it on the inside here. And I just love this little vase of flowers that says with love, because you can use it for anything. And on this time I put sending you smiles on the inside, and again, this is that Impression Obsession stamp I got in the $5 grab bag. And then on the back I used this printable from Iralamija shop that I showed you guys that looks like this, and I just cut out the word joy, and I roughed up the edges of it with my scissor. And this little die right here, as well as the die that's on the front here, is a beautiful new My Creative Time die set. and it's called the A2 Fancy Frame Dies, and then the A2 Fancy Frame Layer Dies, which have stitching. And so that is what I used here. You can see that this one has stitching on it, and then this one is just the beautiful lavender color. And so I just thought this turned out so pretty. I love that little pop of red and the little red dots and the little red here. I just think it's such a pretty card, kind of unexpected with the red in there with the lighter tones of purples and blues. So I just think this turned out so sweet, and I love using these little fancy frames as a tab on the back of the card. So I just think that looks so sweet. So those are my cards today. I just put a little tiny piece of this die on the back of this one, and this is a frame die, just because I forgot to mention it, that was gifted to me recently, and I think this is in Love Art Shop, I think. But it's just a pretty double-stitched frame die. So that's what I used on here, and then the Iralamija shop paper. And then I did put a piece of this on the inside. So that's how this card is. Thanks for taking a look at my 2 cards. So appreciative of everybody that watches my channel and leaves beautiful comments. I want to thank everybody for all of the wonderful comments over the weekend. I loved everybody's Saturday Morning Makes posts that I've seen so far, but I still haven't seen them all. I'm hoping to catch up throughout the week this week before this coming Saturday. Everybody have a wonderful day. Go check out the Stamp It Chocolate show over on Facebook at Adornit for Dianna Marcum's release. I cannot wait to see what Dianna has in store for us throughout the year, as well as everyone at Adornit that is doing this. So very, very thankful that Adornit was willing to bring stamps back from the wonderful artist and illustrator Dianna Marcum. Just a wonderful day for everybody that's wanted their stamps for so long. So many of my subscribers have been trying to get those wonderful recipe stamps, and it's just a joy to have this day be here and to know that the next year is going to bring so much beautiful inspiration. So thank you to Dianna, thank you to Adornit, to Georgiana and Miranda, and the entire design team, the ambassador squad that is helping show you guys samples. I'm just so excited. I hope you guys enjoy the workshop today if you're able to attend, but remember, you can always watch all the workshops on replay. Just go to their Facebook page at Adornit. All right, blessings everybody. Take good care and have a wonderful day. All right, bye.